In this part, we will design the first block for the drip irrigation in the study area. And as we see in the block field at the right, the 7 blocks were added for the design of the drip irrigation from block number 7 to 13. We go to block number 7. Then we go to the emitter type. Then we choose micro over drip. Then we specify the plant spacing and the riser height as we see. Then in the direction, if we choose the direction, then the direction of the lateral pipe will be vertical, and if we choose border, then the direction of the lateral pipe will be horizontal, so we choose free. Then we press on the full laterals. Then a window appears titled Dripper over Micro Line Selection, and in it, in the dripper line, for example, we choose the Tiran 12010 2 liter per hour multiply 1 meter, i.e. the emitter spacing is 1 meter. Then we press on OK. Then OK. Then we make a left click on the first block for the drip irrigation, which is block number 7. Then yes. Then in the irrigation full blocks window, we press on the define the inlet valve. Then OK. Then we specify the location of the valve near the first block by making a left click. Then we return to the irrigation full blocks window and we press on the add fittings. Then OK. Then we specify the fitting location between the first block and the valve by making a left click. Then we make a right click. Then we return to the irrigation full blocks window and we press on the define manifold using add lines. Then in the define type for new pipes window, we choose a pipe. Then we tick on the manifold. Then after we choose the pipe, we press on OK. Then we start out stretching the pipe that connects between the valve and the pipes of laterals in the first block. So we make zoom in on the valve and the pipes of the laterals in the first block. Then we start out stretching the pipe by making a left click on the valve. Then we make a left click on the valve, then to the fitting, then we make a left click several times on the all lateral pipes in the first block, as we see. Then at the end, we make right click twice, then we return to the irrigation full blocks window, then and we press on the done. Then we return to the irrigation window. Then we go to the global menu, and in it we press on the design and calculate. Then a new window appears, and in it we go to the size pipes menu. And in it we specify the options, as we see. Then we tick on the and laterals. Then we press on the manifold. Then the proposed pipes appear. Then we go to the results menu, and in it we go to the pressure and valve, and we choose 7. Then we press on the calculate flow along pipes. Then an error message appears, so we repeat inputting several values in the pressure and valve and making the calculations several times until the error message disappears. Finally, we go to the pressure and valve, and we choose 4. Then we press on the calculate flow along pipes. Then the result appears without an error message, i.e. the design for the first block was completed. Then we press on the close. Then we return to the irrigation window, and in the block field at the right, we note the block color becomes green with brown, and in the block legend, this means that the EU of the block is above 80%. Then we return to the blocks menu.